Hey guys, welcome to the vlogs. My name is Josh from Static Valley Crew. We're going to be starting our own crew, our own YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be installing some quick release bumper for the 2012 STI. Right here. Alright, this is mine. I have a 2012 STI. Right over here, I got a 2008 GTI. So we're going to be working on these cars that are mine. The crew has WRXs. My friend just got a GTR, and we'll have more content on that soon, okay? But for today, we have quick release bumper, because this thing be sagging a lot. So we will walk you through on how to put the quick release bumper. Alright, so the parts are here. You got your rubber bands. For this, you got your nuts and your washers. They go on each side on the bumper. One goes right here, and one goes right here. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, another thing, we need our drill bits. Make sure they're the same size as your screw, because if you make them too big, you screw it. So, we're going to use this drill bit and a drill. Alright, so for these, you're going to want to stretch them out, just all the way stretched out. Well, not all the way, but tight enough so they don't come loose when you're driving. You're gonna mark them, put them where you're gonna want them, and mark your holes where you're gonna put them. Make sure they're even on both sides so they don't look crappy, alright? Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we'll mark where the first hole is gonna go. It's gonna go right here. We're gonna start drilling. You have battery, you can drill first. Alright, so we're back. Alright, there we go. Now, for it not to rust, we could either add paint or just keep it like that. But yeah, let's see how this thing works. So you gotta get your nut, your screw, and your washer, and this. So you put the screw and this, make sure it's like that, and you put this part right on here. This is gonna go in. Alright, there we go. So now that it's in, grab your washer and your nut. Grab your washer and your nut. Put it on the other side. Put the washer first. And then put the nut. Just gonna open this. And it's gonna look like that on the inside. Alright, just put the washer in. Make sure it goes in the way. And you're gonna have to use one of these to hold it in place. See when you put the washer in, alright? Tools right here. Let's see which one we're gonna need. Yep, looks like that one's gonna work. And for this, we're gonna use this. And probably 9 or 10. Yep, it's gonna be 10. Let's put that in there. And put this behind, and your hex key in there. That's how one's gonna look, and we gotta go do the bottom. Alright guys, so I marked where that other hole's gonna go. It's gonna go right here. Let's go drilling. There we go. That should work. Yep. Your nut, your washer. Put it on the other side. Put your nut in. Grab your key and your ratchet. Tight enough. Grab a band. Stretch it out. We're gonna use this one up here. There we go. See? Easy as that. Now it's good. I still need to buy a clip up here, but for this part, it's pretty good to me. Now we're gonna go to the other side and we'll show you the end product. Alright boys, go back and we're done. Sorry the car's a little bit dirty right now, but yep, steady. Here's that side. And there's the side. Big sturdy. But yeah, there you guys go.